What a month it was for silver, right from the lows at 45.5. We have seen the highs at 54.6 levels. Amazing month, amazing volatility we had seen, and yet the price is closing at 48.6 levels here with a smaller greener body. So, what to expect from silver in the coming month? Are we looking forward for a rally again? Are we looking forward for a bullish candles again? Taking it all the way towards 55, 56, or in fact higher levels, or this is the time for silver to reverse, as we had already seen a very good rise, very sharp rise here. What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the month of November and in the coming week? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a long-term forecast, and I do share my twice-a-day updates for silver. First with the Asia and Europe session, next before the US session, so that you can profit across geographies, across sessions. Just subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so do not miss to watch till the end. Let's have a look at the daily charts first. See what has happened on the daily charts. A stronger bull run is seen for months and weeks. We have seen the price is seen taking support from the 5-period moving average, hitting the highs all the way towards 54.6. And that time itself, I had mentioned, see, things are getting overbought. You have to be cautious. You have to be watchful. What has happened since then? A drop, retracement. And see, this was the biggest ever fall we had seen on silver in a single day in absolute dollar terms, not in percentage terms, but in absolute dollar terms, this was the single biggest fall. And since then the price consolidated, then again a dip. At this point itself, I had mentioned that it is looking to move further down. We may see a support coming in at 46, 45.5. What has happened? Hitting the lows at 46, 45.5, we have seen a little recovery. Now see what is happening here. Drop, sideways movement, then the drop, again the top here. Now it is very crucial for silver to break this zone. In our daily update, we have highlighted this 49.4, 49.5. It is what it has to break, and then 50. Now this is the median of the Bollinger Bands as well. This is also a psychological number as well. So if you see now silver trading above 49.4, 49.5, and then 50, if these two levels are taken in the coming week and in the month of November, we can see slight bullishness prevailing from there. And that will increase the possibility of 51, 51.2, and 52. But remember, the higher it goes, the possibility of downside will increase from there. The higher it tries to retrace, the possibility of reversal will also be very high. Now this suggests that you can in fact adopt a strategy of selling on the rise, but again you should know where to exit and when things are turning bullish. Ideal reversal confirmation in silver is now only and only if it trades above 53. Till 53 it's not yet to be considered bullish, and if at all it trades above 53, remember it's a rally ahead. We are going to see 55.3 and in fact 56 levels as well. Be mindful of this. Beyond 53, do not think of selling silver in the month of November. But right now, I think that because we had already seen a very strong run here, the possibility of a retracement, further retracement all the way towards 42, 40 zone cannot be denied. You have to be watchful here. This could even be a long-term reversal. Though silver, if you look at the in April this year, it was trading at 30. In the beginning of this year, it was trading at 30. So from 30, already we have seen now a 60% yield, and hence it might close the year 2025 with comparatively lesser gains, which means the prices might close further low below 48.6. That is what it is trading at right now. So you have to watch out. It appears selling on the rise should be a good strategy here. Now see the 50-period moving average offering it a little support. See, it does mean that 46 is the key level here, which it has to trade below in order to confirm further downside. What will happen once it trades below 46? The direct lending should be at 43.8, which is going to be the next crucial support. 43.8, 43.2, 42. And then below 42 is where the real bearishness might kick in. Till 42, it's not yet to be treated bearish for the long term. I'm talking about long term. Till 42, the chances of pullback will be very. But this is a further long term, not just the coming week or the month of November. We are talking about 6 months. But let's focus on the coming month. What's happening on the coming month? If you look at the near term moves, it appears that it is still staying bearish. A move beyond 50 or 52 will confirm a possible reversal. Stochastic rising here, the MACD, if you look at it, has crossed over at the top. And since the crossover at the top, what we had seen is a great fall here, great fall right from the peak. It does this mean that it can in fact post a reversal or retracement from the current levels. And hence the coming week is going to be very, very important. The levels at 46 and 44, this zone is going to remain most crucial here for silver, because once it slides below 44, I think the pullback on the upside will be very, very difficult here. But yes, remember, too much of divergence calls for it to converge, which means few greener sessions before it takes the plunge again. RSI has taken a good dip here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, look at the move here: bigger dip, then sideways movement, then a dip here, then again a retracement to the same zone. It is very, very crucial for silver to break this zone at 49.5, 49.6, and then 50. Once it trades beyond 50, the bullishness might prevail. A little further retracement on the upside can be expected from there. Look at the move here. See the lows reversal sign here: rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now if you connect the lows and the highs, you will find it is trading in this moderate bullish channel. Now, in the coming week, if you see now silver trading below 48 and 47.4, these two levels you should watch out for. If you see silver trading below 48 and 47.4, this will further confirm the downside there all the way towards 46 and lower levels. Remember the drop, the retracement, and if it takes a dip, what is happening here? It is trying to stay in a box so far, and if it trades with 46, it might lead to a greater fall. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over 20 period, offering it a very, very good support here. If you look at the 4 hour stochastic, this is hit a bottom right from the overbought zone here. And see the MACD. Now look at MACD, a good sharp drop, double bottoming, and a retracement. Now it is trying to converge and crossover. Now if it starts to crossover from here, remember the highs what we had seen at plus 100, will the lows at minus 100, and it is trading above the median here. So a crossover here may lead to a possible long term or near term reversal here, which means a drop below 46 should be watched out with caution, because below that will invite greater bearishness to follow. We might see 44 or in fact 42 in the month of November itself. RSI has taken a huge dip here. Coming to the week, now see on the weekly charts, we have seen an exponential rise here, right from the lows at 35, a move all the way towards 54.6. 50% appreciation in just few weeks. That was a strong run here. Now what has happened since then? A greater dip, support from 5 period moving average, again a dip, and now see, despite a drop here, it has closed the week with the support from 5 period moving average. This is still a sign of possible bullishness here. So what could happen from here? First thing is it has to trade beyond 49.4, 49.6 zone, then 50. If these two levels are taken, what it can try to do, it can try to show a couple of greener candles like this. It can try to move a little higher, 51 or 52, and then from those levels next couple of weeks later, when the week starts, it might in fact post a reversal, and towards the end of the month of November it might close in red. So the coming week and month of November are very, very crucial for silver prices here. And looking at the support it is getting from 5 period, I will definitely watch out for the coming week. A drop below 47.4 should definitely be an indication for 46. And remember the divergence of the price from the 20 period, where the 20 period is sitting right now, it is sitting at close to 42. So this exponential rise always increases the possibility of a pullback towards 20 period moving average. One red candle, one swing, and the next candle when it starts lower, and if it is seen trading below 47.4, you can expect a greater correction here very, very, very soon. If not in the coming week, it might move towards 46, 44, 42 levels very soon here. Stochastic taking a drop right from the overbought zone. We have seen it now looking downwards, and it is a vertical fall. I'll just wait for it to breach this support, which will take it all the way towards the bottom. So next couple of weeks are crucial, and when it ends lower, we can see a possible greater downfall from there. Now look at MACD on the weekly chart. Now, MACD on the weekly chart, see, look where it is trading plus 400 levels. Amazingly exponential rise with what we had seen here in silver. See, what follows with such exponential rise is a series of decline. Look at the divergence between the red and the blue lines. Too much of divergence. Look at the candles where these were placed. And this certainly indicates that possibly the silver prices has to also cool down further. Now in general we also see already we have seen a very good rise, very good yield for the entire year, and now it is already trading at plus 50 to 60% yield, and and hence it increases, or the case increases the case for erosion in yield for silver on an annual basis, which means the prices might head low, the prices might close lower than what we are seeing right now, and hence we have to be trading with caution in the coming few weeks. In the next 2 months, the case for sell on rise will be very very strong from here. And see, I was expecting this since long. I hope this might become the case now. Look at the RSI. See, v shape reversal. Generally v shape reversal follows with a continuation of the downside here, which could be the case here again. Now coming to the monthly, look at the monthly charts. Just in 4 months we have seen the prices climbing all the way from 32 till 55, 54.5, a 70% rise from the base year. And if you look at the beginning of the year, where the prices were in the beginning of the year, right at $29 levels, from 29 till 50, amazing move, amazing yield here it is. So you have to be cautious, as silver might try to erode some of the gains. Look at this candle. See, body size very very small compared to the entire move. And now it is very crucial for silver to trade below 45 and 44. Once it trades below 44, this will be the confirmation for a beginning of reversal in silver prices, where we can see 42 coming into picture, 39.50 coming into picture, and in fact it may correct sharp. Now on the weekly charts, what we had seen, an exponential rise follows with a couple of red candles. Imagine if it follows here on the monthly charts, where the prices are going to be. We may see it falling back within the zone, that is 32 to 35. Let's wait. The coming month is going to remain very very crucial for silver price movement. Notice bearishness I will confirm only and only if it trades below 46 and 44 zone. This is the most crucial zone, below which only you can confirm that silver prices are turning bearish, else it is still not turning bearish. It is possible that it can start flat, move towards 50 or 51, or in fact 52. And remember, once it trades beyond 52 or 53, it is going to in fact move towards 55 or 56 as well. Yes, if it trades beyond 52 or 53, it can in fact keep moving higher towards 56 as well, defying all the technicals. If you see the stock ISIC, this is extremely overbought on the monthly charts. The MACD is extremely divergent and at the peak as well. Look at this. The MACD on the monthly charts is almost at the top. It calls for it to start reversing. Not necessarily. These are markets. Anything and everything is possible. And hence we have to watch out. Specifically, I will only recommend that specifically on the upside, you have to trade with caution. The higher it rises, the possibility of a reversal and drop will also be very, very, very high. RSI at extremes on the monthly charts, and yes, this also calls for it to start reversing. Considering this, where you should trade. And before I give you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to be part of my mentorship batch. 35th batch dates are announced. Register yourself now. In this batch, you'll get all the tools, techniques, and strategies with the help of which you can identify profitable trades with ease and trade comfortably and increase your winning ratio. Else, you can also be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals, you can capture thousands of pips. We are capturing enormous moves in these last couple of weeks or more. And we have captured it right from the highs, and what a good fall we had seen right now. I hope you would be a part of our signals channel. Definitely would have profited immensely. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, where you should buy. You can buy at 48.85 levels, expect 49.10, then 49.40.50 zone, very crucial for silver to break this, and then expect 50. If at all it trades beyond 50, stay bullish for 50, 40, 50, 50. And if this is taken, then we are looking forward to a greater rise at 51.2 levels. And if this is taken, then 51.75, 52.4, and 53. Now this is not only for the coming week but for the entire month of November. Beyond 53, sky is the limit. Do not think of selling silver from there. Possibly we are seeing 55 and 56 as well. I do not see this case. If at all it tries to move towards 53, I would rather recommend you to take a sell from these levels. But let's see. And if you're taking a sell from the highs, possibly you have to trail your stop losses. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 48.35 levels, expected to move towards 48. Now 48, 47.8. This is the most crucial support here. Then 47.4. If at all it trades below 47.4, stay short for 46.8, 46, and this time in fact I'll be looking at 45 and 44, and once it trades below 44, stay short for 42 as well, very soon. If not in the month of November, it might deliver this in the month of December. But remember, once it starts to slide, the slide is going to be just like a waterfall. You have to be extremely cautious here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable month of November, a profitable week ahead, and a happy weekend.